All right, we're doing the Chapel Hill trail. It's called the Chapel Rock Trail. It's a loop where we'll go up the Chapel Rock Trail to Chapel Rock and a couple other cool parts, and then come back down the Chapel Beach Trail. It's like a 6.5 mile loop.
We might catch a sunset, honestly.
Yeah, could be pretty cool.
I hope not.
It's almost 6.
We better get moving then.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a rock.
Maybe you would have ate it. Pretty nice trail. Probably the biggest trees we've seen, honestly. So, 300-year-old tree. How do you think they got there?
Bird poop.
Bird poop?
And some sort of animal pooped the seed, for sure. Go in the ditch. Walk in the ditch. Yeah. Epic.
Oh man, I can feel the power just going through myself with these things. Like, get out of the way, son.
I just farted a lot.
Look at this stability. Pretty.
Chapel Falls. Can you see anything from up here? Oh yeah.
That's a good picture. Very pretty. Chapel Falls. Look at all that water.
We're 1.9 in,
What, we still got 1.2 to the thing?
roughly.
Jeez.
So if we're 2 miles in, we're doing 22-minute miles. So
It's gonna be 8:30.
to get there.
I didn't bring a headlamp.
Yeah, neither did I. I have a tiny flashlight. So we'll say roughly another 20 minutes, which will put us at $6:40, and then another hour on top of that puts us at 7:40. Sunset's at 8:40.
Here. You hold this.
All right, what's up, guys? We're here hiking the Chapel Hill, Chapel something rock trail. We are about 2.5 miles in. Starting to hear the lake now, so we got to be getting close to one, would think. It's taking us just under an hour to get 2.5 miles in.
That's not bad.
Yeah, not too bad. Pretty well maintained trail. Only a couple muddy spots. There was like 2 different overlook type places along the way, so you're not just walking straight through the woods the whole time.
Yeah, there's a couple falls, then kind of a view over the lake, but it's kind of hard to see with the brush right now. But we're getting there. We're moving. 3 point some miles an hour over here.
No, it's like 2.9.
Well, we went down.
Yeah, we slowed down a little bit, but currently 6:30, so we should be done and out of here by about 8 roughly.
What are we making for dinner tonight?
Oh yeah,
Are we doing the walleye cakes tonight?
Yeah.
The walleye patties?
yeah,
With what?
potatoes.
That'll be pretty dang good. Do you usually put cheese on those? Huh.
On the walleye cake?
Yeah, that sounds pretty good.
No, I don't think so.
I might put some cheese on mine.
I don't know about that.
You don't think so?
No.
Dang, is she blowing? Oh yeah. Oh, it's not blowing too bad. Wow. Wow, it is blowing. That's pretty
crazy.
freaking crazy.
There it is. The sun's right there. Wow. That water's good. That is a
It's
heck
ripping.
of a drop too. Wow.
You can see the arch over there.
Yeah. Wow.
That's crazy.
Those are huge. They're going in and out.
I know, that's how strong the rip current is.
Look at them go back out.
That rip current is insane. That's a lot of wicked erosion, honestly. Think salmon come here?
Oh yeah, definitely.
You think so?
No,
Oh.
not a chance.
Oh, can you go that way? This is wild.
I think this is part of the trail.
I think so. Dude, this sand is like so pure. Billy. Dude, pick up this sand. Doesn't it feel weird?
Even the color, it's so uniform.
Yeah.
There's a pisser up here, I don't know. Kind of random. Wow. This thing is like brand new, man.
Old outhouses out here.
There's another one back there too.
Really? I wouldn't want to poop in those. Man, it really doesn't look like we're gonna be kayaking tomorrow.
Doubt it.
Unfortunate. Oh. Might see Bigfoot. Oh.
There it is. The end of the line. Still quite a few people out there.
Yeah.
Willing to bet some of them are out there for like a sunset or something.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I want fish cakes.
Yep.
All right, we just finished our hike on the Chapel Rock, Chapel Beach trail. Did a little over 6.25 miles, probably 6.5 miles. We hiked to the rock and then across the beach and back up the beach trail. It's a pretty good hike. Saw a couple deer along the way, which was cool. Mm-hmm. And the rock was definitely worth the hike out there.
Yeah, it was really cool seeing even the like 90s picture.
Yeah.
Then seeing it today, just how much it's eroded away.
Yeah, maybe the editor will throw that picture in there.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, it was a good hike. We're gonna head back to camp now, cook dinner and stuff. But hope you enjoyed the video of, Chapel Rock, Chapel Beach. And as always,
stay dirty.
Not gonna lie, it's pretty chilly here. It's pretty windy. But Vent made us some hot cocoa. Having some hot cocoa. Got our potatoes cooking. How is it?
It's very hot. Tastes good.
Corey?
Yep.
Walleye patty. Well, the walleye cakes they're getting there. Getting close. Potatoes are about done. Those look like 2 pieces here.
Here we go, Ricky Bobby.
Harder. Just a little dabble,
Give you a push. I can put the fork out. There we go.
I was gonna eat a little quicker, Bob. It says 1%. Is it warm?
Nice crispy, flaky on the outside. Soft.